The LandGuard Galvanized Garden Bed Kit provides a generously sized planting area that comfortably accommodates vegetables, fruits, flowers, and herbs in a typical backyard or greenhouse layout. Its galvanized steel panels use a thicker gauge than many budget beds, giving the frame a reassuring rigidity that holds its shape season after season. The oval configuration distributes soil pressure evenly, so the sides do not bulge out, and the bed maintains a neat, finished look even when completely filled. An open bottom design lets plant roots reach native soil for better drainage and nutrient access, which helps reduce problems with standing water and root rot. Assembly is straightforward, with clearly aligned panels and hardware that allow a single person to put the bed together in only a few minutes using basic tools. Once installed, the corrosion-resistant coating and sturdy construction mean this bed can stay in place outdoors for many years with minimal maintenance beyond normal gardening care.